helping the situation, take me to jail so I can have it recorded, please.
What? How do you want me to help the situation?
That's helping me, dog.
Please walk away.
Take me to jail.
Please walk away.
No, take me to jail.
For what?
Public and goddamn decency. Take me to jail.
What's the indecency here?
You and your attitude earlier, dog. Not only did I see that mother...
Before we get into the confrontation, you need to understand who Daisy Jones is and why she's standing on this street screaming. Daisy says she's a veteran. She's been enlisted, she tells the officers, for 9 years. She says she went to court, and someone told the court she wasn't where she said she was. And because of that, she ended up homeless in a county that wasn't even hers. She's not here to cause trouble. At least, that's not how this started. She came here to make a report about a missing person, about getting beaten up, about someone's life she says is on her conscience. But the officers aren't taking the report. And that is where everything begins to unravel.
How about you do that?
Oh, no, she was trying to make a goddamn report is what she said.
No, that's not what she told us.
Excuse me, I am sitting in front of these officers again, and not only have I need another officer, please.
Copy. Can you just tell her to do not pull 911 anymore?
Okay, so I called you to make a report, right? Okay, so how about this dumb fucker doesn't even want to acknowledge that goddamn shit, dog? This is someone's life on my fucking neck, and you drove the I don't give a fuck about nothing else.
Okay.
And then whenever this bitch over here wanted to make a report about getting beat the fuck up, dog's still over here looking stupid. Nah, bitch, I don't need you to respond. I need you to let me speak on this goddamn line. So what fucking good are you?
Okay, don't call 911 anymore.
No, bitch,
Yes.
because what good are you?
Don't call 911. You want to go to jail? Call 911 again.
After what? This is kind of a goddamn emergency.
No,
You're
it
not
ain't. You got
being
two
a
officers
good
right here.
Goddamn police officer.
Okay, stop yelling.
No, you. I
Okay.
keep telling you, take me to jail for public indecency.
What's so indecent about this?
You
I
and
can't be
your
a victim.
goddamn honor, dog. Little gas Ty can come get it too, dog. I'm not even playing with you improper ass niggas.
Can I get you to run a Florida ID card for me, my number?
Duh! Because of y'all dumb motherfuckers, I ain't got shit no goddamn way! Dog, I run this bitch! And because of something that I obviously couldn't goddamn do myself, was have a dick and say he was my husband? Am I out here homeless? If I ain't been telling y'all nothing, but I am promising you whenever I get done with them slaying ass no good bitches, I'm not like testing no life because I really want them to be alive in court.
I saw that. Yeah.
What? A homeless shelter where I just come from.
What part of Florida?
A Hialeah.
Hialeah.
Isn't that where you from?
I thought you looked fucking familiar, dog.
Small world.
I
What school you go to there?
ain't go to school, dog. I've been enlisted for the last goddamn
before that.
years, dog.
What high school did you go to?
Oh, I went to Buford.
Oh, no, 95. Buford?
Buford.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please just take me to jail for something. Or like, see, this is why I got in trouble last time, because I clocked the last officer and got in trouble. I don't want, no, but I need it recorded. And there is no proper way for y'all to do this unless
Daisy.
I go through the process.
Daisy, you see this? It's recording, right?
Duh! I'm on 911!
Hey, I'm not helping.
And right there, in the middle of all the chaos, Daisy says something that stops you cold. She says, I got in trouble last time because I clocked the last officer. And then she says, I don't want to do that again. Think about that for a second. She knows her own patterns. She knows what she's capable of when she reaches her limit, and she's actively trying to not go there. She's not choosing violence. She's choosing a process. She's saying, arrest me, do it right, put it on paper, because that is the only way she knows how to be heard. Whether you agree with her methods or not, that is not the logic of someone who is simply out of control. That is someone who has been ignored for a very long time. She admitted she hit an officer before, but said she didn't want to this time. Does that make her more dangerous or more self-aware? Drop your take.
What the fuck? Don't you get?
You.
I have 11 dead children! And you don't want to listen to me?
I'm listening.
You are a disgrace! Take me to jail so I can record this shit. Hello? Hello? What?
I'm still waiting for you to do something illegal then. If you want to go to jail that bad.
You a jackass for that one.
I don't take people to jail for no reason, right?
If I can't break that goddamn window, I'm gonna be mad. That's the bad thing about the whole situation right now.
Whoa. She is wild.
I'm not breaking the window. That's illegal, right?
What's up?
This her?
I'm about to break this window.
Don't.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, you want another officer?
I'm not gonna do anything. You about to put me in handcuffs.
And then Daisy makes a decision. She looks at the officer, she looks at the window, and she says, I'm going to break the window. That's illegal, right? The officer says, don't. She says, okay, thanks. Now look, you can hear in that exchange exactly what Daisy is doing. She is engineering her own arrest, step by step, because she has decided if the system won't listen to her words, she will force it to listen through the process. And then it happens. Face the wall. The officers move in. Daisy is placed against the wall. In what follows is one of the most chaotic arrest sequences you'll see on body cam. She screams, she pulls away, she says her arm is being dislocated. The officers are trying to control her. And through all of it, she's still talking, still demanding to be heard. Even in handcuffs, Daisy Jones is not done. She literally told them what she was going to do before she did it. Officers had no choice. Was this the plan all along? Tell us.
Hey, what you got? All right, yeah, I got it.
Ow! 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 No, it's not bending.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Well, stop pulling away. Don't pull away.
I'm not.
Well,
I'm on it.
yeah, mine.
Get it ready to go?
Mine got knocked off. You good?
Yeah. Watch your feet.
Let go.
your goddamn job. You son of a bitch.
Ready?
Now she's in the back of the patrol car, handcuffed. And the officer asks, "Are you injured?" She says yes. He offers an ambulance, and Daisy turns it down. "You're not getting off that easy." Now that line is one of the most important things she says in this entire video. Because what she's telling them is, if I accept that ambulance, this becomes a medical call. It gets routed away from the courthouse, away from the report she needs filed, away from the record she's been fighting to create all morning. Even injured, in handcuffs, in the back of a police car, Daisy Jones is still thinking 3 steps ahead. "Take me to the courthouse," she says. And honestly, you have to respect the consistency. She turned down an ambulance while injured to stay in the legal process. Was that brave or reckless?
Will you please pull up the 911 call that I had recorded the whole time?
We'll get into that, okay? Whenever you guys are ready to
Please,
stand her up, so I can
will you
take
please
pictures
get
of
him
the
off
back,
of me?
take pictures of her legs and her
Will you
arms.
please get, okay, can you have another officer deal with me and have the, no, the howl, this howl, sir?
All right, take a chair. It's over. Listen, this is not going to work out for you.
For what? I'm not moving.
It's not going to work out for you, I promise.
What?
So what are you going to choose? Just,
Ow, ow! Ow,
I gotta go under.
ow!